Hi, welcome to Mimi's Kitchen. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to share with you how to make hot pepper vinegar. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how to put this all together and make a nice Christmas gift basket for somebody. So hot peppers are coming out of my garden full force. I've already made 3 jars of hot pepper vinegar. And I have this maple syrup bottle that I wanted to use to make a decorative bottle. So I've got some hot peppers from the garden, some kind of small size ones. So I just took a maple syrup bottle, removed the label, and I'm going to use some apple cider vinegar. That's the best vinegar to use for this, and it's going to make a beautiful, tasty vinegar. So let's get started. All you need to do is so easy, is take your hot peppers, wash them good. You don't cut them, you don't do anything to them except wash them, and then push them down into the jar, whatever jar you're using. Make sure it's a glass jar. And I just stuff those down in there. These are all the ones that I had that would fit in this smaller container, but I've got more on my bushes out in my kitchen garden. See how simple this is? There's no cooking, there's no cutting, you just stuff. And then using a funnel, I'm going to pour in the apple cider vinegar. Now, I accidentally poured it all the way to the top. You would not do that. Leave a couple of inches at the top because I'm going to be adding more peppers, and the more peppers you add, the more the vinegar rises. So I feel this one too full. So be aware of that and make sure you don't fill your jar all the way up if you plan on adding more peppers. If you don't plan on adding more peppers, then you don't need to do that. So then I just put the cap on and let that sit. Now, you don't have to refrigerate it. I do because the peppers stay pretty and green if they're refrigerated. Just wipe it off, put the cap on, and then put it in the refrigerator, and just keep adding peppers to it. Now, as you use the hot pepper vinegar, you can always add more vinegar. The peppers keep for a long time, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, these are my large ones that would not fit in a jar. But I am trying to get a hold of some red. Some red cayenne peppers would be really pretty in there. And like I said, we in the South love our hot pepper vinegar on collards. Okay, now you know how to make hot pepper vinegar, and it's so easy. And these peppers all came from my pepper garden this spring. So far I've put up 3 quarts of hot pepper vinegar, and I have my maple syrup jar that I finished using, and so I wanted to save it. I washed it out, and I've stuffed some more peppers in there. And this is going to be part of a gift basket. So I tied a cute little ribbon with some decorative Christmas pine cone and a little bit of greenery on the front of it. I've still got to finish filling it up with some peppers, and I want to get some red ones to go in here. But that's a nice gift, and I'm going to look for a nice tall decorative jar that I can put these in. These are too tall for my quart jars. If I can get a nice pretty big jar, decorative jar, that would make a nice gift to fill that with the hot peppers. And then I can take it a step further and make somebody in the family a gift basket. So what I would do would be to take one of these little hams from Aldi's or Walmart, I think carries these. And these are really delicious. You just slice them up and fry them. So we'll put that in the gift basket. We'll put, at Christmas time, usually between Thanksgiving and Christmas, I cook a lot of collards, and a lot of people don't want to mess with cooking collards. It can stink the house up. It doesn't bother me, and there's a little hint: if you put a whole pecan in your pot while you're cooking the collards, it does cut down on the smell. But I take some of my cooked collards and fill up a jar for some family member or somebody. Put that in the basket, and then I can take my favorite cornbread mix, put that in the basket, put that over here, and then our hot pepper vinegar. Because you got to pour this on your collards. It is a Southern tradition. I put all that in the basket, and then I take some of that cellophane clear wrap, wrap it, tie a pretty bow on the top, and then I have these were ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I bought a bunch of these last year. It says Merry Christmas, but I hang it on the front of gift baskets. Just makes it really pretty. So this is a really nice gift basket that you could give your family members. So this is an idea. So while you're picking your peppers, or you go to a farmer's market and you see peppers, go ahead and buy a bunch of them and make you some hot pepper vinegar, because it is so good on collards. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. I'd love to have you part of my little family here at Mimi's house. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a very blessed day.